How you living life, loves? Happy Halloween weekend, you guys. So I went to the Dollar Tree to show you guys what things are left for Thanksgiving and fall that you can go run out and get. If you want some Halloween stuff, go run out and get it. Dollar Tree still has a little bit, but not a lot, mostly fall and Thanksgiving. So I want to show you all the things that I loved this trip to the Dollar Tree. I know your girl's been gone for a minute now. I'm back with the jump off. So life loves, I hope you're living good. I hope everything is amazing. I am so sorry for this scratchy voiceover, but you know what? It's all good. Jesus is working it out. Bronchitis and laryngitis getting healed. Amen. Anyway, this blessed sign is so cute. I'm telling you, they have the cutest things that you can decorate your house for Thanksgiving. And I am totally here for it and totally loving everything, including these little door knockers. So there's still some pumpkins, really pretty candles. This one is a LED one, which is really cool. I like these little acorns. How cute are they? And they're not real metal, obviously, but they're super cute. Christmas. Christmas time is here at Dollar Tree, and I want to show you what they have. Now, I will show you some Halloween stuff later on, but for right now, the gnomes, the signs, I am just loving every single thing that I am seeing at Dollar Tree. A lot of the signs are the ones that you're used to, but there are some newbies and some things that I like these cute booties. How adorbs are these? Oh, I had put them in my basket to purchase, but then I took them out because I was like, girl, it's way too early to be getting Christmas, okay? So I love the buffalo check, the red and black, the black and white, and then these skis, like vintage skis. How cute are they? I love the size of the ornaments this year. They're really nice sizes. These large kind of gift tag ornaments are super cute, and they have them in different colors. And then they have the natural one at the bottom, which is cute as well. I really like larger ornaments for the tree. They just make it pop and yeah, make it stand out. So they have the same bulbs that they normally do for your tree, but the foliage, I'm so here for it. Some of it is kind of cheesy, but some of it kind of looks cute, and I'll kind of like hone in on the ones that I think are cute and look really high quality. Like what you're looking for is Hobby Lobby at Dollar Tree for $1.25. So any foliage or flowers, just floral that looks really high end are the ones that I'm kind of training the camera on so you can see. They've got a lot of different things and really cute. I like the velvet. It's really pretty, and the sparkle and the berries. It's just super Christmassy, and they don't look, to me, they don't look cheap. You can add them to your wreaths or whatever. So as you can see, they're pretty stock for Christmas. And I just wanted to show y'all a little of the wrapping paper, mostly for kids. I really like these. It doesn't come with a lot, but for the price, $1.25, it's super cute. And that's Alice in Wonderland. I love that. This is Ariel. I love how they have Christmas Ariel and Christmas Jasmine. So cute. So this is for your mini tree. They do have mini trees at Dollar Tree. They are the white ones. And so they have all the fixins for your mini tree. They also have mini trees for your little Christmas village. But yeah, I love the mini trees. They're white and they're really cute. And for $1.25, you can't beat it. They also have these mini lights for your mini trees and extension cords. I did pick up an extension cord for $1.25. You can't beat the price. It's a nice length, 6 feet, so go ahead and get you some, girl. Okay, moving on. These are the fixins for your tree. They've got really pretty ribbon. They've got really nice Christmas ornaments. So I do have to say, honorable mention, the wreath forms and the wreath hangers are pretty awesome. I did get one while I was out. These soaps with their scents, Christmas scents, are really, really cute. And I also like next to them are the little men. Aren't they cute? The nutcrackers. So these are your $5 and $3 items that I thought had honorable mention because they're super cute. That I wouldn't get cucumber, but this apple cider was bomb diggity, y'all. Oh my gosh. Now, I literally smell this, you guys. The throw is amazing, and it's not even lit. Like, what? Really potent. Really, really potent. Really, really smells good. Yeah. I want to see something in the $5 section. Oh my gosh, look at these spooky pumpkins. Oh. Oh, look at these. And then oh my gosh, they're gorgeous. And the gnomes. The scary gnome. Oh my gosh, this is too cute. I don't know. Let's see, it's nothing Christmassy. Weekly planners. Designs. And then they got these 2024 ones. Look super cute. And then they got these 2024 monthly planners. Gnome stockings. And then they got all this. Oh, how cute. Tulle skirt. Oh, that's pretty. That's cute. Wow. Big balls down here. They only $1. Wait a minute. Oh, it's just one a piece. Okay. Those do not look like Dollar Tree. Then they got really big ones. Wow. Oh, they're pretty. Maybe like for the bathroom. They're cute. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. God loves you, and we do too. Happy Halloween.